Friend, at the starting of English speaking, which difficulty I face, all of that difficulties I will share in today's video. बट फ्रेंड क्या हुआ था, जब मैंने इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग स्टार्ट किया था तब मुझे बहुत awkward लग रहा था तो इंग्लिश बोलना बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट था. एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस स्टफ्स आई विल शेयर विथ यू इन टुडेस वीडियो. व्हाट हैपन फ्रेंड, लॉकडाउन केम एंड आई स्टार्ट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश. Means what happened, I didn't speak in public because I was too much shame to speak, because student was laughing with me. I was making too much minor mistakes, and that's why they was laughing on me, and they was telling me you can't speak English. Okay, but what happened then, after I searched on YouTube too much, I listened too much podcast, I listened too much stuffs in English, and there was a one YouTuber I found, and he made a one group facial, and he put that link in his description box. I follow it, and over there one door opened for me. I got a lot of people those want to speak English, and from that I really start my English speaking. I was calling them, they was just text over there if they are free, and I was calling back to them, and I was speaking with them. Okay, and what starting phase, what was happening, I can't able to translate that sentence in mother tongue, and that was too much difficult. Most of people was ending their call because I was not speaking well, and that time I was too much embarrassed कि I can't speak well English. But after that I was practicing regular, I took patience, I was practicing regularly, and then after that some people was interested in me, they was speaking with me, and after 1 month later I got some continuous students those was practicing with me everyday basis. And for that I was speaking every day at a morning 1 hour and at a evening 1 hour, and like that I started my English speaking. And then after even also I started to read newspaper, collect some vocabulary, on that basis make some sentences and repeat it again, and that's why they, after that they came in my conversation, and my conversation become very well, and that's why I was speaking a lot. And like that also I started my YouTube, and over on YouTube I got some confidence to speak. Thank you friend. If you like this my experience, please subscribe and press the bell icon and start your English speaking journey as soon possible, because friend it is most important, because English is an international language. I have proud also my mother tongue, but everyone should learn English, because 100% you will face problem due to the English. Thank you so much. See you next video. And please again I want to tell you, subscribe my YouTube channel until you didn't subscribe, because 100% my YouTube channel will be helpful for you in future. Bye bye.